Hold on.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
We're rolling. We're playing Kings.
Rolling.
They hinting, patrolling, they're trying to catch me riding dirty. Yes. Tofik.
Hey, Tofu. How are you feeling?
That was weed.
And how's Akshar doing?
Ruti.
Tofu, you feeling okay over there?
No.
He's mesmerized by tennis right now.
Oh, we see the tennis on
Yeah.
TV.
He's like, I do Kim Clijsters.
No.
We're having a nice, wonderful game of Kings. Our favorite activity here at
He's
PU.
like, I do Mary Sullivan. What?
Oh, it did though.
I already did that.
Who else would you do? And tell us about Serena Williams. What do you find so attractive about her?
Shut my mouth right now.
What? You want to talk about Janelle?
Tofu, we love you.
Yes, we do. You know what? We heart.
We are Tofu.
Spider-Man is
We're going to take a quick break and
We'll get
play
back
some
to
more.
it.
We'll get back.